The folding rear basket by the Scooter Accessories is heavy-duty, sturdy, and spacious, with the dimensions as followed. The folding rear basket is easy to fold and unfold for travel. To be able to attach this basket to your scooter must be equipped with a 1-inch hitch receiver. Have the freedom to carry what you need when you're on the go with the foldable rear basket by the Scooter Accessory. We also offer a smaller non-folding rear basket. Call AutoMobility store today to place your order and receive free shipping.